How to pin posts on your Instagram profile. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so if you didn't know, you could actually pin certain posts to the top of your Instagram grid on your profile. Now I'm here on my desktop computer to show you guys like a bigger visual. And we're on our Essetinomedia Instagram. Make sure to follow us. We're sharing all kinds of tips on how to create profitable content. So you can see the top three here. They have the pin icon. And I specifically chose these three to pin, and I'll share why at the end of the video. Let's just get into how to actually do it. So first, you actually need to be on mobile. You need to be on your phone. Currently, as I'm filming this in 2022 of August, they don't have the feature on desktop. So let's head over to the cellular phone. All right, so I'm here on my personal Instagram and I don't have anything pinned currently. So let's pin some posts. Now the cool thing is you can pin a video, an image, and currently it's up to 3 posts. So you can technically have it featured on your top row of the grid on your Instagram profile. So let me just go through and choose something to pin. So let's say here, this one right here. This is when we were offering a 1-hour free YouTube training to basically show how we make 5 figures a month on our YouTube channel. Click the post that you want and then click the 3 dots. Then you're going to see the option Pin to Profile. Currently, the option doesn't show when you are doing a post. It only happens after you do the post. So I'm going to click Pin to Profile, and it says it's pinning. Now we'll head back to my main profile, and then I'll just refresh it. And then boom, there you go. It shows up on the top left. Now, I personally like having 3 pinned posts. I like the way that it looks. It takes up the whole row. So let me choose another thing to pin here. Let's pin this cool video I did. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on the 3 dots and I'm going to pin to my profile. Head back to the profile, refresh, and then boom, there you go. There it is. Now keep in mind, it's going to do the order that you do it in. So if you want it specifically 1, 2, 3, just be aware of that. Now the last post, I'm going to do this screenshot right here when we showed one of our students getting her first customer from her YouTube channel. So again, clicking on it, clicking on the 3 dots, pin to profile, head back to it, refresh, and then boom, there you go. 1, 2, 3 posts pinned. Now here's the explanation as to why this is important. This is important because when you pin posts and people check out your profile, which is what people tend to do, right? If they want to know more about you, they're typically going to go to your Instagram profile, see how many followers you have, what your bio says, if you have a link there, and then they're going to see these 3 posts and they may likely click on one of these. And because you've pinned them, you've brought it to their attention. So obviously you want to use this as your best foot forward. Don't pin things that aren't going to put your best foot forward. Especially if you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, you're trying to sell something. You want to put stuff that's going to gravitate towards that. So first thing I pinned here was a free 1-hour YouTube strategy training video that we did, because I want people to watch that. Next, I pinned a video. I feel that video is extremely powerful and it sells yourself. So I filmed this video talking about a concept about removing the dome. And it's a pretty cool video if you want to check it out. And people from watching that, they can get a feel for my personality. They can see how I talk. They can get a feel for my energy. And that's what I want. And the last post here, showing some credibility with the work that we do. So we're showing a win of a student of ours because, we want people to work with us. We want people to work with us either through coaching or buying our course. So this is why I pinned these 3 posts. So you want to be strategic with this. Now the cool thing is it's going to stay up there until you go and remove it or change it. So let's pretend like I want this one now to be pinned. I'll click the 3 dots and then I'll click pin to profile. And then it's going to say pin limit reached. Are you sure you want to pin this post? You can only pin up to 3 posts to your profile. Pinning this will replace your oldest post. So that's how if you want to switch it up. Personally, I want to leave it because I just pinned those. So I want some of those to get exposure. But that's how you do it. It's a very cool, easy feature. And it's a great way to market your best stuff on Instagram when people are looking at your profile. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up. If you liked the energy, smash the thumbs up button. And if you want to check out the free YouTube training, that's down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.